Welcome to Tech Editing Tips Tuesday. I'm Gemma and I'll be coming to you throughout the summer with crochet design tips to help you craft perfect patterns every time. Now today we're going to talk about being concise. Your crochet patterns should be concise. They shouldn't have too much extra information in them. They shouldn't waffle on and on with things that aren't really necessary. You should be using abbreviations. The standard Craft Yarn Council abbreviations are really good, and I would really recommend using those. You should use repeats where you can, so repeating lines. If a line is repeated again and again, then just say rep line 6 rather than actually writing it out again. And also repeats within rows or rounds. They should also be written in brackets or with stars to show that they're repeated. It makes the pattern look much nicer and flow much easier. So yeah, let's be concise in our patterns.